Hey, Eagle Run 23 here. Thanks for tuning in. So if you're like me, you've got a lifetime supply of 22 LR and you want to go shoot, but ammo's expensive and it's hard to replace. So I have wanted to build a dedicated 22 LR AR for a long time. And this there's a company called Right to Bear Arms, and then .com. I think they get mad if you say that all together, because you're not. I'm not sending you there. I'm just telling you where I bought this from. They sell this, and they had it. I got an email, and it was on like extreme sale. So I hopped on there and I ordered one, and we're gonna go shoot it here eventually. But we're gonna unbox it and see how it fits. I feel like I could make a whole another YouTube channel called like Watch Me Struggle with Packaging. I understand why they use blister packs, because it protects the product and whatever, but geez Louise, I wonder how many people have been sent to the ER from opening packages. So you get a dedicated magazine. It's the same size, has the same release, so all of your functionality for training purposes works, and it does have a last round bolt hold open. So I won't be able to test that today, but we are going to install it. Oh, there must be a little cap on here. Oh yeah, okay. So I'll probably keep that for storage purposes, I think. I don't think you want that banging around on stuff. So it looks like it's made to be kept on there. I mean, it even has their logo on it. So this is CMMG. It's called the Bravo package. I feel like there's maybe other kits of this that just come with one mag. Mine comes with 3 mags, which I was excited about. So this goes into the chamber on your rifle, and then since it doesn't go into your buffer tube at all, it's all self contained right there. So you have your extractor, and it just pulls off right there and shoots your rounds out of all normal. So all you have to do is put this in and then stick your mag in. That's it. Allegedly, the way this is made, it's made to fire the 22 more accurately. I've seen some mixed results on accuracy, but I mean, if you can hit something at 20, 30, 40, 50 yards, like if you can hit a plate to train on, then you know, you can fire off some rounds, have a good time. We're gonna put this in the gun real quick, I think. Let's drop this down. Here we are. So on this particular lower, I just realized that I'm gonna have a problem here. By the way, YouTube censors that are watching, there's no modification here happening at all. This is all completely stock in the way everything came, so no reason to get upset about anything in this video. So this is a polymer lower, and because polymer needs a little bit more size to be strong, I need to get extended takedown pins. I don't know that I actually ever will get that, but this might not be the best platform for a quick change, because I do have to, normally you can just kind of pop it out, but you can't get down in there. So I'm gonna have to get a little something to pop that out. So I have to punch that through, and then it releases. And then and then all you have to do is pull the bolt out and put the conversion kit in. I haven't lubed that or anything. We'll just see how it all fits. And it's as simple as that to install. Let's see how this fits. All right. Not bad. And oh, it looks kind of cool. My other one's black, so see, and holds open. Okay, cool. I like it. The short little throw is a little different to get used to, so it doesn't go back very far. And then when you do have, so the last round does hold open. So let's say that you've just run empty, and then when you go to drop that mag, it does drop the bolt because that's the only thing holding it open. So when you go in with the new mag, got to recharge, and you're there. All right, function, pretty cool. We need to lube that up before we do too much with it, but just a little pull, like maybe halfway, kind of cool. So check those out if you're wanting to shoot some, if you're wanting to shoot on the cheap or get some practice in. Being able to do mag changes, while it wouldn't be identical, at least the pushing of the button and the swapping could be the same if you're into training. And if you just want to go plink, this would be great. We have more 22 than you have 223. So anyway, I think this is going to be great. I'll do another clip of me shooting it later. But for right now, I wanted to see what it looked like. I don't know that I'll leave it in the pistol, but I've got a couple other options. So, all right, well, I'm gonna run 2-3. Thanks for watching.